Hi guys, I'm Nate with Good Mayhem Racing. This is my 2025 update on the Grabber Nav mount, a system that I sell to work with your Garmin kits while you're holding on for dear life. A lot of vehicles have a way for the navigator to hold on, and they have a navigation piece of equipment like your Lowrance or Garmin or LeNav, but they usually don't have a system that combines both. Something that your co-pilot can hold on to and brace while they are working the navigation. My kit combines both of those features. You're able to adjust the Garmin back and forth in the race car. You're even able to tilt it up and down to make sure it's in the perfect field of view for your navigator, and it's customizable. Every single Grabber Nav mount I have made is unique to the race car that it's going in, and 2025 is the year that I am branching out and expanding this into a full-blown product line. No more is this a product that is hand sawed and drilled in this garage. No, it is now CNC bent, drawings designed, CAD uploaded, and something that a customer gets to review before I even manufacture it. What's really nice about that last option of where I have a level of precision that I can manufacture to is that you can tell me to modify it just so to make it exactly the way you want it to in your vehicle. And I know it sounds corny, it sounds cheesy, but if you actually like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe. That way I can give you more of this kind of information in your feed. It means the world to me. I really appreciate it. It really helps with sponsors, and from there unlocks new opportunities for projects like this. Or like this one. More on that one in the next video. If you look at the one over on stage left, you can see that it actually doesn't have vertical grab handles like the regular Grabber Nav mount does. This is known as the Jesus bar because it's something that you can hold on for dear life. This one down here though is called the roller coaster bar. The particular client, in this case Jerry and his wife, are enjoying a sand rail, a really fast car that's made for dunes and running like that. What's amazing about it though is that instead of a race application, it is just pure fun, pure joy, and it's a roller coaster to ride, so they wanted a roller coaster bar with their Grabber Nav mount. This thing still is telescoping. It's got 6 or 7 positions that you can adjust it to, and that way the navigator, the co-pilot, the passenger queen, if you will be able to enjoy the nav, the experience, and hold on like a roller coaster. If you look at the one here on stage right, this one is very utilitarian and also very, very race car. It is very different from the other two because it is not a telescoping setup. It is going into a race car that has adjustable seats rather than having an adjustable mount. That is a really slick thing in this particular race car. This is actually racing in 2 weeks in the Mexican 1000. I have the privilege and honor of helping Steve, my mentor, race in the Mexican 1000. Him, his buddies, Sam, Darren, Grant, Corey are going to the desert, and I am filling the slot in their team. I have been able to engineer and design this thing for him, and I am delighted to contribute in that way. And speaking of contributions, the one you see over here is commercial. The one you see here is for my original race truck, and this one over here was sponsored by Oshcut Laser, who is also the sponsor of this video. What's really cool about my 2025 effort with the Grabber Nav mounts is that I am able to laser cut parts. How do I do that? I don't have a laser cutter in my garage. Oshcut does. You give them a CAD model, you give them a thickness, you give them a material, and then they tell you how much it's going to cost, when they can get it done, and how fast it can be shipped to your door. That is an exceptionally beautiful thing in this day and age of technology, and I am so glad that Oshcut was willing to help our effort in desert racing. If you'd be willing to check out their company and what they can do for you and your projects, please do me a solid and check it out through the affiliate link down below. Now, where goes from here? Optimization, design, documentation, making a repeatable product line that you yourself would be able to buy and maybe even weld. And that's something that I wanted to get your opinion on. If this wasn't just available as a complete product, you know, with the clamps, with the quick detach. If all of this stuff was in separate a la carte pieces as a weld together kit, would you want to weld it together yourself? Let me know in the comments below, because if that is something you would like to do, I'd be happy to provide it to you that way. I will see you guys out in the desert in 2 weeks, because I won't be in my garage. Like and subscribe for more.